how retro is Avid Retro? I found this box which I wrapped up some time ago, and it's been in the garage for a little while. It does contain some retro items, so let's get to it. Now, some of these items I think might not be mine, they might be my wife's, so that's to save any embarrassment with some of the titles that might be in here. I want to open this box carefully so I can also reuse it. And I've been a bit naughty actually, because recently I've been buying even more of these, and I've only been buying them cheap, you know, I'd never spend more than maybe a couple of pounds on one. And there's a guy that sells them for 20p if you're lucky. But it's a bit hit and miss buying cassettes, because sometimes the audio isn't quite as good as it used to be. The tapes are no good anymore. So I thought, let's just have a look in here and have a bit of a old experience. So what have we got? We have the soundtrack to Say Anything. That's John Cusack film. Elton John's Greatest Hits, Volume 2 without a case. Back to the Future soundtrack. Sting. And some of these I've probably got on vinyl actually. Yeah, Holly Johnson Blast. Swing Out Sister. Sting again. Squeeze. So when cassettes was it towards the end of their popularity, I suppose with CDs and stuff, you did start to see quite a few chrome ones about, because they're obviously still trying to get people to buy them, and offering them a chrome one, people would be like, wow, a chrome tape. But I think sometimes they didn't bother changing the bias on them. They weren't actually utilised. So it says here, yeah, should be set at normal and not for chrome. But I suppose maybe they weren't set up for recording properly on chrome. U2. Now, if you haven't seen that film, that's a pretty funny film, Better Off Dead. That's probably got the same thing here about it playing on normal rather than chrome. Yep, that's what it says. Falco, remember that guy? Rock Me Amadeus. Right. Madonna True Blue. Chris Isaac. Another Falco. Nina Cherry. And it looks like some of these cases are cracked somewhat, so maybe during the move that's what happened. So Sting, The Dream of the Blue Turtles, is in a different case there, so yeah, maybe some of these are slightly out. 12-inch album, Howard Jones. What else have we got? Ooh, the Hits tape. So that's the first one of the Hits tapes. It's getting harder to see in here now. Best of Sade. Soft Cell, Mark Almond. Dr. Adamski Musical Pharmacy, Adamowski, yeah. A Crowded House. Look at the price of that. $7.99. Now That's What I Call Music 2. Some real classics on that one. Yeah, some of these are my wife's, I think. So we've got Aha. Jamiroquai and Madonna. We've got an empty one there for some reason. That's KLF, White Room. That looks to be a knockoff tape. U2. The reason why I say that is that doesn't look like it's printed very well. No, it doesn't even say on there the artist. So that's definitely a knockoff tape from some dodgy trader. Roy Orbison, The Hits. Absolutely ABC. So some of these do look quite worn. Zig and Zag, Them Girls. Pretty Woman soundtrack. The soundtrack to that film wasn't too bad, was it? Howard Jones' Humans Live. That's a good album. Yeah, I always like Conditioning. Arcadia, So Red the Rose. That was a bit of a Duran Duran split off, wasn't it? Deeper Delve. We've got the Hits Tape 2, so I've got a couple of those. I can't believe I've got more in here. Right, what have we got then? Looks like another knockoff. Actually, this looks like one that's homemade, which I think it is. So that's Madonna. Got a very early Duran Duran album here. That's pretty good. Oh, the greatest dance hits in the world. Is that ever? They used to say that, didn't they? Yeah. Now I wonder how some of these will play. The Lightning Seeds. Hits Tape. Corona. The Rhythm of the Night. And there's something you don't see anymore. The Twin Towers there. Bush. Some of these look to be cassette singles. Oh, the Lost Boys soundtrack. That's another good soundtrack. Public Image Limited. Excellent. This is not a love song. Yeah, like that one. Salt and Pepper. We won't talk about that. Another Humans Live for some reason. And look, this must have been my storage system, A1. So maybe that was my first tape. I seem to have another one. So we've got Soft Soul, Soul Inside. That's a 5-cut mini cassette. I'll remember that one. Tone Loc. What was it? Wild Thing and Funky Cold Medina. Wow, could play some of these actually tonight, I think. Deacon Blue. Hits Tape 7. There's a Belinda Carlisle one. Inner City, Paradise. I think we're seeing quite an 80s theme going on here. And then I'll pull out a 91 cassette, almost 80s, isn't it? So this one is The Best of Dance, 91. Ooh, what's in the bottom? What is in the bottom? Alternative Pet Shop Boys. Now this one, was that a wide release? Can someone put in the comments if it was? Maybe it was. We've got Now That's What I Call Music #1, and this one I've got on vinyl actually. Probably plays better on vinyl. It's quite amazing that the vinyl records are still pretty good. So Sinead O'Connor, yeah, she's not around anymore, but Nothing Compares to You. That's a standout one, and obviously Crazy, Seal. Michael Jackson. So some mixes on there. 5 12-inch mixes of one cassette. And then I think we're into. Oh, for some reason I've got another Holly Johnson one. Oh, and then we've got some tapes that aren't open. And I've got some other tapes actually. I've got some Woolworth ones that are sealed. Let's see what we got here and see if they're any good. Is that the whole box? Yeah, so we have Bric-a-Brac Sony FX1. These are standard normal tapes. I would imagine they're, yeah, probably later on in the scheme of things, so probably not particularly well engineered, but maybe budget line. At 5 there, gonna pay $2.25 for them. There was a time when you could get cassettes quite cheap. And this probably goes to show that here. So these are free TDK Chromes, SA90s, very good tapes these, for 75p. So probably need to save these for recording something worthwhile. There's a TDK, yeah, kind of standard, bog standard tape here. That's a FE90. A Gold Star Chrome X extended high frequency range professional super fidelity tape. They've got a bit of a TDK look to them. Maybe they are, I don't know. Made in Korea. Oh, we've got Samsung. This is a studio quality cassette, low noise, high output, but it's a normal bias. Bias normal. And then another TDK. But this does look to be possibly a later one in terms of packaging. So let's look at that one. It's the same, probably the same tape. So made in West Germany, that one. This one doesn't really say where it is made, but it does go on about CD a lot here. So 4 CD, super precision, rigid cassette mechanism 2. Super precision, anti-resonance. Super precision, anti-resonance cassette mechanism. So that one probably follows that one. And there you are. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video about me unboxing some cassettes. Remember to like this video, and I will make more like this in the future. Bye for now.